Hey, this is Meditation with Renee. I am Renee. Welcome to day 11 of my 30-day meditation challenge. Today's topic is morning. This meditation can be done first thing in the morning to set up your day for success. You can lay down or sit on the floor as I am, whichever is most comfortable for you. Same with your hands, you can place them on your knees or lap. Please use my voice as an anchor for your focus. And naturally breathe through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. There's a saying that goes, chance favors the prepared mind. Meaning to me that the more time we put into something, typically, on average, you have a better chance in a successful outcome. So I would like to start this meditation with posing a question. What do you want out of your day today? What would you like to experience today? I really want you to take some time to think about that. What would you like to experience or witness today? Would you like to be more happy? I guess that's kind of a given, right? Who would not want to be more happy? But specifically, would you like to experience more kindness from others? Would you like to meet a new friend, someone new? Would you like to slow down and be more peaceful or relaxed? Another important question I would like to pose is, what effort are you prepared to give to the pursuit of your desired goal today? Are you prepared to be more kind? Are you prepared to give more effort or be more present to possibly witness someone else's suffering? I would like to have you now listen to any sounds that may be around you. If you're in the city, can you hear cars? Can you hear any planes or vehicles? What can you feel? Can you feel the chair support you or the floor? Can you feel the air conditioner or maybe a fan blowing air? Today, I would like you to practice being more present. Maybe when you are driving through the fast food takeout, maybe notice the person's attitude towards you, if they're rude. But step outside the situation and witness it, meaning you are not emotionally caught up on a personal level. You don't take it personally. Maybe as you drive around to collect your food, you might notice maybe bruises on the window attendant's arm or neck. Maybe you might notice she's been crying or he's been crying. Maybe their makeup is smeared a little bit. Become aware of the little things that you typically don't notice. Maybe the rude supervisor at your job, they might not have family photos on their desk. Try to notice the little things. And by doing this, it will help you prepare. It will help you have a better chance in understanding things that may bother you or things that maybe you should be grateful for. Try it, and please let me know how it goes. Great job today, and if your eyes were closed when you're ready, please open them. Have a great day.